Hello friends, and welcome to Faro DIY and Decor. In this video, I want to show you how you can sew a table runner and table napkins very easily and also remodel your dining room in just a few minutes. So I found this round tablecloth and I really love the color and the texture in it, but really that was out of fashion and I needed just a table runner with few napkins. So with the help of my mom, we cut it into 3 pieces. The central piece we kept it to sew it as a table runner, and the 2 other sides we cut it to 6 napkins. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to join our DIY and Decor family. The width of the tablecloth really depends on how wide your table is, but this one is 16 inches wide and I did not cut any of the length of the tablecloth. And the table napkins are 14 by 14 inches. This fabric had the beautiful square texture in it. That's why I did not want it to lose that one. So we used this method to sew the both sides from like that. As you can see, like those are all squares. There's a cross stitch and they look so pretty. That's why we use the same method to go around the corners as well. To sew the 2 other sides of the table runner, it was really necessary to give it a beautiful shape. I used this fabric glue tape. It works very good and it helped me a lot with giving it the right shape that I wanted. To give this beautiful table runner a very finished look, I wanted to attach a tassel to it, and I could not find one in the market for the same color. So I went ahead, bought the items, and I want to make one. To make the tassel, I used my threads and I wrapped it around the cardboard that I had around 100 times and made a knot at the end. And you can do the same method to make a tassel. It's very easy and you will be surprised by the look at the end. To finish out and attach the tassel with the table runner, I'm adding few pearl beads to it. It's going to give it a very fresh look. You can find different style of the napkin holders in the market, but I really wanted a boho, a simple and a very classic looking napkin holder. So that's why I'm making this. It's very easy. You just need a thread, two different size of beads, like one the big one for the middle area, and then two small ones to attach it at the end, and it is very easy to make it. I had this beautiful wall art in the house. It really matches my dining room table and the chairs, but this was a time that I really wanted to give this room a very fresh look, so I had to bring some changes in it. I used chalk paint. It was from Waverly, and I used the color white. I went over and painted this frame around 4 times, and then I used a nail sander to give it a very distressed look. I used a very simple cloth, removed the dusts, and did a wax on top of it. The end result is so pretty. I really loved how light and bright it made the dining room. I hope you liked watching this video as much as I loved making it. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share your ideas in the comment section with me. Subscribe and join our DIY and decor family if you haven't done so. I post new videos every single week. You can go ahead and check my other videos, the previous ones, and subscribe to get notifications for my next videos. See you in my next one.